The transform effect is one of the most useful effects in KDENLIVE. Let's take a look at it. In our example on the screen, we have a video clip of a Windows desktop. I'd like to use the transform effect to hide the taskbar at the bottom. To begin, I'll right-click on the clip, go to Insert an Effect, and Transform. On screen now is the Effects block for the transform effect. Let's step through the various features of it. At the top of the transform effect panel, we'll see the keyframe section. We'll come back to this in a later video. These are the X and Y parameters. When you adjust the X and Y parameters, they change the X and Y location of your clip in the video frame of the project. This is a series of buttons which are shortcuts to help with alignment of your clip within the project frame. The size parameter helps you scale the clip within the context of your project frame. Opacity controls your clip's transparency. Adjusting the rotation parameter will rotate your clip around its center. Remember that you may need to reselect your clip in the timeline in order to see the effects panel after you add the transform effect. Going back now to address the problem with the Windows taskbar, I'm going to adjust the size of this clip, and I'm going to move it down in the Y dimension a little bit to hide the taskbar. You can adjust any of the parameters inside the effects panel by left-clicking and holding it, and then just moving the mouse around to adjust these parameters. There, with those few adjustments, we've effectively hidden the taskbar. In this example, our video project has 4 clips. Our goal will be to play each of these clips at the same time, with each clip occurring in a corner of the video frame. We can do this with the Transform tool. I'll drag the top right video out to the timeline and add the transform effect. Now in the effects panel at the bottom right hand side of the screen, I'll adjust the scale. To take up a quarter of the screen, the scale needs to be adjusted to 50%. Now I'll carefully use the X and Y position parameters to adjust the location of the clip in the video frame. I need this clip to show up in the top right corner of the video frame. That looks pretty good. I'm going to move on to the next one now. This time I'll use the handy alignment buttons. I'll drag this clip out to the timeline and adjust the scale again to 50%. But this time I'll use Align Left and Align Top buttons to stick it right in the corner, no problem. Now I'll just drag out the last 2 clips and resize and align them. I hope you can see how the Transform tool can be very helpful for bringing your project from your imagination into reality. We have a few more effects we'd like to go over with short videos at the Creation Station, and I hope you'll tune in for them. Bye!